The sneakers in this box came out of nowhere. Jordan 5 special edition in the sale colorway. These are actually gonna be dropping tomorrow, and I'm gonna throw them on feet in this video, go into detail, show y'all all the little crevices. Let me know if y'all are going for these. I know there's a lot going on the sneakers app. If y'all saw the last video we posted, I ended up hitting on the SBs. Unfortunately took the L on the military blues, but we'll get there when we get there, you feel me? I'm gonna get a pair early regardless. Today we got the sale Jordan 5s. I think it's a clean ass sneaker, especially for the spring summertime. Honestly perfect, but there is one gripe on the sneaker, and I'll get into it as we get into this video. If y'all doing up enjoying, make sure you leave a like on it down below. If y'all get this to over 150 likes, I'll make sure to keep bringing these early sneakers. Subscribe to the channel. We're on road to 30K. If y'all subbed up, that shit would mean a lot. Leave a like and let's get into this video. On the outside of the box, we got the Flight logo with the Jumpman on it. These are the Jordan 5 SE sale. Color code is sale black, light Orwood brown. I don't know where the brown comes in. I guess we'll find out in a second. Also, make sure you watch to the end of this video so y'all can see what they're looking like on feet, because I think this is actually going to be a pretty clean pair. Opening this box up, we got the sale Jordan 5s. Honestly, these surprised me. Beautiful looking shoe. I love that exposed foam that they're doing on this pair, kind of similar to what we saw on the off-white 5s. And show them real quick. These are clean, bro. Jumpman on the back. I'm gonna probably bring the lighting down a little bit so y'all can really see them. Let me pull the other shoe out. Here we got them, the Jordan 5 special edition sale colorway. Pretty clean shoe if you ask me. You just gotta be careful with this one. That's all I'm gonna say. I love the fact that there's a couple different tones of sale on the shoe, from the outsole to the midsole. Creams here, different materials. We'll get into all of that in a second. Just from looking at these shoes, I can tell you, you just gotta make sure you wear these on a day that's no puddles outside, no precipitation, nothing like that, bro, because these are gonna get dirty probably on like the first 2 wears. I'll give you maybe 3, bro. I'm not gonna lie, because a sale color suede is crazy. Like, that's low-key criminal, bro. Nasty work for real. If you really think about it, like, son, suede in sale, as soon as I wear these and rub on anything, it's over. That exposed foam on the tongue is definitely clean. I love the material they decided to go with on the tongue. It almost feels like the exposed foam makes the tongue slimmer, which is a big issue with the Jordan 5. I feel like with fashion nowadays, you don't want a shoe that's super bulky up here. These are still kind of bulky, but if you really pay attention to it closely, some of the Jordan 5s we've been getting recently, like the Amameniers, basically saw them slim down the whole sneaker. These have a thin tongue as well. It just works, in my opinion, almost making the sneaker more streamlined. This is one of my favorite sneakers out of last year, and shit, something worked on these. They killed it with the 5s. And there's the off-white 5s, which obviously Virgil did his staying on these right here, and he slimmed the tongue down OD too. Like, this is the whole tongue like this. Sides are slim, just a piece of foam, and I think it works, bro. Like, clean shoe. It's just more streamlined. These are dropping at a retail of $210. Let me know if it's worth it for y'all. These might go on sale, who knows, but being that it is a special edition colorway, there might be less pairs than your regular GR, so keep that in mind. If it is a shoe that you actually really want, then go after it. But if it's a shoe that you don't know you need, maybe you'll catch it on sale, then let it be that, no pun intended. It's a clean shoe though, that's all I'm gonna say. Breaking them down, starting with the outsole, we do got the Jumpman and the milky outsole with the white on the middle, black on the toe cap. Going on to the midsole, there's more sale towards the back. Then on the front, you do have that black with the speckled print. We obviously have the sale netting, the sale toggle. The Jumpman isn't black, and the tongue on this pair actually is a little bit different. I would almost say it feels like a jersey material. When y'all get y'all pairs, let me know what y'all think this feels like a Chanel button-up, crumbled up type shit, flipped and dipped. Sale Air Jordan on the black tag. I really wish they would put more laces with these sneakers, bro. Like a different color sale. Maybe give me a darker tone to balance all of this tan out. We barely get laces, bro, unless it's a Jordan 1. Most Jordan 4s don't get them. Only collabs really focus on the laces like that. Maybe a Jordan 1 here and there will come with some laces, or other brands. sale Jordan 5s. Let me know if y'all feeling the on feet. I think it's a clean shoe. Going back to the sneakers, there's a tannish sale color all around the upper. I think it's not bad. It's just the material choice is low-key irking me, because at the end of the day, it's gonna be a dirt magnet, as I was saying earlier, and that might deduct some points. Even though there's points deducted because of the materials, it doesn't take away from the actual shoe. They killed it with this one. It's just one of them joints you gotta be careful with. Like, low key, this is a whole day after that last clip because it was pouring, so I couldn't even go outside and do the on feet. We about to pull up right now. Low key, I think we good for like a little split of some time. So I'm about to go do this on feet. Hopefully y'all enjoy. Let me know. That's pretty much it for this pair of kicks. These are gonna be dropping tomorrow, y'all. 210 is crazy. Honestly, I feel like the retail is kind of what's making a lot of these sneakers sit, bro. Like 210 is a lot of money for the regular consumer. It just doesn't make sense to continuously buy sneakers, if we're being honest. Y'all might be able to catch these on sale. Now the tricky thing with this pair is that it is quote unquote special edition, so we won't really know exactly how many pairs there is. I'm assuming with a special edition version, you would get way less quantity compared to something like the military blues, where those have 1.7 million stock worldwide. Something like this might not even hit 100K. You gotta take that and run with it at the end of the day, because it might end up being one of those sneakers that ends up on shelves, but it won't stay there long. It's the perfect summer shoe, if you ask me, that all over sale. Just gotta make sure you don't wear it on a rainy day, you feel me, because it's over. This is suede. I'm just letting y'all know. I'm not sponsored by any of the repellent brands, so I can't promote an exact company, and I don't even have it. I think I low-key gotta get that shit before I really wear these out, cause cream suede is insane, bro. That shit gonna get dirty and like, bro, it's lenti right now. Like, camera's not picking it up. They're lenti from just being outside like this for one day. Overall, it's a clean pair of sneakers. You just gotta be a little more selective when you wear it. If you could catch this pair on sale, no pun intended, because this is the Jordan 5 sale, I think it's worth it. Do I think you should jump out guns blazing for this pair? I don't really think so. There's a lot of different collabs, from the J Balvin Medellins, I think it's the Rio de Janeiro. I don't know what the exact name for the new pair is. Those are clean, so I would rather spend that money on something like that, or even the military blues if some of y'all ain't hit like me, bro. I took an L. I was sick. I was low-key so sick to the point where I ain't even post a video yesterday when I know I should have. My fault, y'all. It just wasn't worth the energy for me. Last look at the Jordan 5 sale. Is it a cop or a drop? Or y'all gonna try to catch these on the other side? I think the material and the exposed foam is what does it for me. It's an all-over sale, speckled paint. I think it's clean, but you just gotta be careful with this one. If y'all ended up enjoying this video, make sure you leave a like on it down below. Get this one to over 150, 200 likes if y'all enjoyed and want more early sneaker content, more early reviews coming in the next coming weeks. So make sure y'all subscribe. Bunch of heat on the way as well. So I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. I hope y'all have a great rest of y'all day, by the way. Check one of these two videos out. That's what YouTube is recommending y'all to watch. This video was fire, so you might as well check one of these two, and I'm gonna catch y'all there. Peace.